relationship, basta may pagmamahalan, may kakambal din yan na LQ, a lover's quarrel.
Oo.
Grabe yung LQ, Mars, ang lumang salita.
LQ.
Diba?
LQ ba kayo?
LQ. Wala bang millennial term for that?
Diba?
Wala pa
ata.
Meron ba?
I don't know, I haven't heard.
Okay, yan yung kailangan natin i-research. Now, you know, it might be because of a small issue or pwede rin ng mga palalim ng palalim or palalim ng palalim. Basta ang importante, pinagmumulan niya ng issue at may kinahahantungan.
Ayan. So, yung kinahantungan yun yung delikado eh.
Yun.
Diba? Saan ba papunta ang mga LQ na yan? Diba? So,
Natawa
tignan
na
na
lang
natin kung saan bang dapat tayo naaapektuhan tuwing ang magjowa ay nagbabangayan. Okay.
Okay, so each person is going to pick and remove a detachable body part mula sa anatomy model natin. Okay, bawat part may ka-partner na kwento. Kaya i-share lang natin ang kung anong nakalagay dun sa body part na yon. Malalaman natin kapag nakapili na tayo.
Okay.
Okay, Sir Mars.
Okay, ako na.
You're the
choose.
parts.
Ano kaya?
You're
Parang
the part.
nakakakaba naman.
Kaya nga eh. Dito na lang ako sa tuhod.
Talaga?
Oo, bakit?
Anong kwento ng tuhod? Sige
Sige
nga,
nga,
alamin yung mga...
titingnan natin. Okay, tuhod. Ikwento ang LQ na naging kasalanan mo, kaya ikaw ang lumuhod at humingi ng patawad.
okay.
Kaya
Oh,
tuhod.
Mars, mahirap to para sa'yo.
Oo nga eh. Yung common misunderstanding kasi namin, yung kunwari may sinabi siya, tapos iba yung pag-accept ko dun sa sinabi niya. It's always the
Okay,
miscommunication.
yeah.
It's always reading in between the lines
Yeah.
na dun kayo nagkakaproblema.
Yeah.
Like could be the tone of voice that I used when I said something na iba yung naging
Iba yung
dating
dating
sa
sa kanya.
kanya.
Okay, pareho tayo.
Diba? I think this is very common in
Yeah.
relationships, lalo pag medyo matagal na.
Yeah,
Yung you fail to read talaga kung ano yung meaning nun. So may isang time na may sinabi siya, or I asked him something, tinanong ko si VJ about something na common sense yung sagot for him. But for me, gusto ko siya tanungin kasi I wanted to make sure kung ano yung gagawin niya, para yun din yung gagawin ko, hindi kami magkokontrahan. But to him, it felt like I was being sarcastic kasi, seryoso ba na hindi mo alam yung sagot doon? Parang ganon. So I'm like,
Ngayon na-insulto ka, na parang...
oh, na-insulto ako kasi parang yung the way he answered me, Mars, parang, di ganito. Sabi ko, oh, relax, I'm just asking. Tapos saka na parang, really? Tapos nung when we spoke about it that night, nasabi ko, I was really asking kasi I didn't know what to do. Siya naman parang akala ko you were being sarcastic kasi parang imposible naman that you didn't know what to do sa part na yun. I'm like, to you. But to me, I really didn't know what to do.
Nakaka-relate ako sa'yo.
Diba? Tsaka
Palaging
don't
ganyan yung
assume.
mga okay namin.
Tsaka don't assume na yung naisip mo, yun din yung naisip ko,
Yeah,
diba?
yeah.
So yung mga little things like that. So I apologize for the way my words probably came out or the tone of voice that I used that led him to think na I was being sarcastic. Kasi hindi din naman niya i-assume yun kung hindi rin niya narinig sa akin.